Oh, hey there. And who are you? By the way, I'm Kelvin. Welcome to Galaxy. And I'm pretty sure you're here because you want to learn Linux. You want to get deep dive into Linux. And if you want to be a hacker, you need to know Linux. It's just a required fundamentals place for hacking. You need to know Linux. And in this video, I'm going to teach you Linux. Welcome to my Linux series for hacker and everyone, because everyone needs to know Linux and start hacking right away. So right now, what you're gonna need first of all, you're gonna need a coffee. Every hacker needs a coffee. Go and make one euro of yours right now. Then come back. You'll meet me here. Then after, what you're gonna do? You're gonna need a virtual machine running Linux. If you don't know what is this, maybe I got a video right over here, something like that, something over here. Press that video, see how to install Kali Linux and VisualBox. Then keep them running. Like, by the way, I got timestamps. That video is a little bit kind of longer, but I got timestamps for you, so you don't have to worry. Go to any part that you need, then make it quick. Come back to this video and start hacking right now. If you don't have Virtual Machine or Linux, I got another opportunity, like other option for you. You can just go online typing for Hack the Box Academy, log in there, and they're gonna give you a free Linux kernel called they call it the Pawn Box, but it's running Parrot OS. In its Parrot OS, if you're figuring it out, like what is Parrot OS, but Parrot OS is just like a one of the distros of Linux, just like Kali Linux, Ubuntu Linux, and other types of Linux. But PowerOS, then that's it in the Hack the Books Academy. Go there, sign up with your email account, with your password, then get in there, and everything will flow as usual. So without making much stories, let's go in the computer and see how it really looks like. First, let's go to the short intro. And since you're back right now, let's go to our computer and see how it really looks like. First of all, you need to have your virtual machine up and running. Then after, just click on this little start button right over here. If you're figuring out what is am I doing right now, as I said before, the video is right over here, right above over here. Click it, go and see how to set up Kali Linux in VisualBox. Really quick, free. I like free stuff. You also should. Right now, the virtual machine, you can see it is running. It is up and running. All right, it is booting up. I'll make this really quick. Right now, I'm just gonna log in Galaxy. Then I put my password. If you're figuring out what is this, go back. I told you before. The video is there for you, so no worries. I got you covered. So just log in here, and yeah, you're free to go. So after it opens up something like this one, you can see right over here, whatever this icon is. Yeah, this black icon. Click on here to open up your terminal. There. So you can see your terminal soon to be up and running. Then let me maximize this one and maximize the font. So I think there you can see. Alright, right now you can see here I'm logged in not as root, but I can log in as root. But for just this short tutorial, let me minimize this one and I need to show you something. So if you're at the world of GUI, then I'm sorry. Right here in Linux, we just use this little icon called terminal, Linux terminal, and this is where Linux magic happens. The hacking stuff all happen right over here. So when I open this right over here, then I open my home. Then my home will open up right over here. So as you can see right now, here's the home. You see all the stuff in view, but what is this? You just see some, some freaking words you don't even get. But I told you the first command. Okay, I forgot to say this. New command time. No, Now this the first command. You just need to see. Okay, here you can see where your home, your Galaxy home. Then you can see all these stuff. So right over here, what you don't see anything, but if you want to see stuff, PWD. This PWD stands for print working directory. Like this one is directory, so you want to print it right here to see where you currently are. You can see it tells me I'm at slash home slash galaxy, just right over here. So okay, now I'm slash home slash galaxy, but I can see anything really. I see nothing. So here you can see desktop documents and whatever, but I don't see it here. New command time. Just type with me ls. This obviously stands for list, and that's all. It lists all the directories or files found in this current directory, the App Galaxy directory. And when I press enter right over here, you can see desktop, music, and whatever pictures, videos, nano, public, templates, or Instagram downloads, and whatever. We're gonna talk about Instagram soon, hacking Instagram. You don't want to miss this video, hacking Instagram, see more stuff on Instagram. So subscribe, get notified. So whenever this video is out, then you're good to go. All right, so you can see right here, and for example, here my GUI right at the left corner right over here. I can double tap on desktop and it will navigate onto desktop. You feel me? So I can now you can see it is my desktop. I can go to documents. I can go to wherever place I feel like. So, for example, here, how can I go to documents? How can I go to desktop? How can I go to pictures? How can I go to downloads? How can I go to everywhere? New command time. Just type it with me CD, and obviously CD stands for change working directory. So if you're changing working directory, then you're gonna change it to anywhere. Maybe you wanna change it to desktop. As you can see right here, we are changing it to desktop. So when you go right here, type in for desktop right here. You can see desktop right over here. Capital letter D as it is written right over here. Desktop. Then when you press enter, well, what just happened? Are we in? Let's look. You can see here slash desktop. But if you wanna look again, I told you PWD. Okay, PWD. When you print working directory, alright, we're desktop, but you can ls to see like what's in desktop. Okay, I'm sorry. Ls. Okay, the desktop says it is like empty because this virtual machine is just like new. I put nothing in there, so the desktop is empty, no problem. But if you're using the not new version machine, it should tell you what's in your desktop. Okay, now we're desktop, but how can we go back? I told you CD. Then if you CD to some place, then you change the directory to that place. But actually, upwd ls, then your desktop. You have three commands right now. Put it in mind, put it in your pocket. You don't want to waste it. Write it somewhere so you always remember it. So right now we are desktop, but how can we go back? Here's another command, new command time. Just type in with me cd, then it will change your working directory, then put a space, then dot dot. When you press it right here, you can see, okay, what just happened? Let's see, ls, pwd, to see where we are. Alright, we are back to App Galaxy. Okay, now here's the fun part. Let's continue going back and see where we go. See the dot. Okay, let's see where you are. PWD. Great, we are at slash home right now. Let's go back again. CD dot dot. Let's see where we are. Okay, and now we are at the root, and this is the end. We can go back further. Okay, now let's see like ls what's in here. You can see all this one being, and these are the files, years or whatever. We're gonna take this to episode 2. We're gonna talk more about this one. This one is episode 1. You don't want to miss the episode 2. We are going deep into Linux. Here we just touched the few basics comments of Linux. Every hacker needs to know, like every Linux user. I don't care whether you're new or you're used to Linux, but this one maybe you're pretty like it's pretty sick. So if you're new to Linux, I got you covered with those four commands: pwd, ls, cd to change directory, cd dot dot to go back. But quick quiz for you. Okay, right now you can see here we are slash root, right? How can we go back to wherever you are here at the GUI? Okay, how can we go back here? You feel me? How can we go back here in this terminal? how can you really go back? Actually, you can use two commands or you can only use one command to know to go back. Comment if you know the command. If you get the commands to get back, the first one to reply this one, I have a gift for you. Just comment down below. Then below your comment, just type in my gift. The first three people to comment to the comments, you gotta find all those two commands. The first one with two, the first command and last command, the one you're using two commands to get to this right over here, then to the GUI, then you can push the or you can use the other one command, only one command to get to the GUI. The three first, as I say, they're gonna get a gift. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, get notified when the episode 2 is out of Linux, and we're gonna talk about Linux files arrangement and stuff and things like that. You don't wanna miss it. Subscribe, get notified, like this video. You get 10 days of good luck in whatever stuff you're doing. And without talking much, I don't wanna waste your time, so you can go into another activities. Just subscribe, watch my other videos, and we are now going deep. This channel now is now going deep into hacking. We're starting the hacking tutorials right now. You don't want to miss anything, as I said before. So thanks, guys. Let's meet on episode 2.